Give your laundry expert care with this integrated washing machine from Candy, which has clever technology to leave clothes spotless. It has a 1600 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. The EcoMix 20 program will wash all types of fabrics and still make fantastic energy savings. It gives mixed loads a really thorough clean while washing at a cool 20 degrees. This means it uses up to 40% less energy than your standard 40-degree wash cycle. Now, no matter what's in your wash basket, you can always make great savings on your utility bills. Candy's KG Detector uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means the machine can work out just how much water, time, and energy it needs to use throughout the cycle to get your clothes clean. So, you can look after your clothes and save on your utility bills without having to lift a finger. If you're looking for a washing machine with clever technology to leave clothes spotless, this integrated model from Candy is perfect for you.